Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing amazingly well. Welcome back to another lesson of English with Ashish. And guys, today in this lesson we are going to master what material nouns are, and we are going to master them in a very unique manner. So make sure you watch the lesson until the end. I'm excited, very excited. I know you guys are too. Let's do it. All right, everybody, now let's understand what a material noun is. So guys, what is a material noun? A material noun is a type of a noun. Now, what is a noun? A noun is a name of something or somebody. Now, what is a material noun? A name of a material. A material noun is a name of a material that something is made of. Look at the word material noun. Name of a material that we use to make something. A name of a material that something is made of. Guys, every single thing that we have in this world is made of something. Every object that we come across is made of something. And the name of the material that is used to make that product, to make that item, is a material noun. Let me show you some examples and make you understand this in a unique manner, in an interesting way. Okay, what is this? This is a cake. This is a final product, guys. Okay. Now, what are the materials? What could be the materials used to make this product? Chocolate, milk, sugar. So these are the names of the materials that we have used, that are used to make this product. So these are material nouns. Names of the materials this product, this item, this cake is made of. Okay, look at this image. This is a chair. What is this chair made of? Plastic. Name of the material this item is made of. Plastic. Material noun. Now look at this image. This is also a chair, but a different type of a chair. Now what is this chair made of? Iron, plastic, some fabric. We don't know. I don't know. All the names of materials that are used to make this product. Material noun. Iron, material noun. Plastic, material noun. Right? Iron, plastic, these items, these materials are used to make this. Material nouns. Okay, look at this. What is this? A necklace. What have we used to make it? What are the materials that have been used to make this product? Gold. Gold. Material. Name of the material used to make this product is made of. There could be something else as well. There could be plastic, there could be silver. All right, names of the materials this product, this item is made of. Okay, so this is what a material noun is, guys. A name of a material something is made of. Everything that you have, look around you, you'll find something, and just ask yourself, what is that thing made of? Okay, I have something near me. What is this? A water bottle, right? What is this bottle made of? Plastic. Material noun. Name of the material this bottle is made of. What is... Okay, let me show you something. What is this? A phone. What is this phone made of? We could have used iron, we could have used plastic, we could have used silver to make this. So material nouns. Okay, so a material noun is nothing but a name of a material that something is made of. Okay, I am sitting on a bed. What is this bed made of? This bed is made of wood. Name of the material this product, this item is made of. Okay, so look at this image. What is this? Tea. What is this tea made of? Milk, water, sugar. So these are the names of the material that this product, this item is made of. Okay, so that's what a material noun is. Now, what are the categories that it comes from? That's very important to know. So these are solid materials that are solid, liquid materials that are liquid in form, semi-liquid, gas, and natural phenomena. So in solid materials, we have plastic, gold, silver, wood, iron, wheat, rice. So these are the names of materials that something is made of. Plastic chair, gold necklace, ring, silver, again, earrings, necklace, wood, chair, bed, anything. You can make anything out of wood. Iron, wheat, rice, okay, liquid, water, oil, milk, names of the materials that something is made of. Semi-liquid, curd, butter, gum. These are semi-liquid material nouns. Not liquid, not solid, in between semi-liquid. Gas, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, these gases are also used in some products. So we'll also call them material nouns. The last is natural phenomena. Things that we get from the nature. Alright, sand, granite, rock, cement. These are also names of materials that things are made out of. Okay. So these are material nouns. Now we know what a material noun is, where it comes from. Now we know everything about it. Okay, now a couple of important points. Number one, most material nouns are also common nouns. So material nouns like milk, gold, rice, these are also common nouns as well. Milk, there are different types of milk, alright? Gold, there are different types of gold. Rice, there are different types of rice. So most material nouns are also common nouns. Number two, we don't use articles before material nouns. If we're referring to a material noun, we do not use any article, a and the before it. For example, we didn't put milk in it. We did not put milk in it. We're not using any article before the noun milk, before the material noun milk. We did not put milk in it. I don't like gold. I don't like gold. I can't say I don't like a gold, and gold, the gold. I can't say that. If I'm referring to a particular gold, I'll say the gold. It does not have water in it. It does not have water in it, material noun. Now understand this. If you're referring to a particular one, if you're making it particular, you can use the before it. It does not have the water in it. So let's suppose a couple of minutes back, you came to me and you asked me to use a particular glass of water in the dish that I'm making, but I did not use it. So I'm saying it does not have the water in it, the water that you asked me to use in this dish. Okay, so that's all about this topic, guys. That's all about material nouns. I hope now you know what material nouns are, how to use them. So if you guys enjoyed this lesson, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning, have fun. I love you all. I'm out. Namaskar.